In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily log out of Threads account. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Threads. After that, go to your profile. Tap at these two horizontal bars and tap at Logout. Then Logout again, and after a couple of seconds you will be logged out, and then we can use our Instagram account to log back in, or we can tap at switch accounts and then we can choose our another account to log in. That's how you can easily log out of Threads account.